What's going on, YouTube? It's Tate Thurman 96, and I'm back with you guys some more footage. I told y'all I was gonna have some good footage for y'all. Now I got it. So, what do you guys think the footage is gonna be? As we can see, the convertible is under here, but it's missing one car. So, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, to see future content. I'm just curious to what you guys think the content is gonna be about today. I told y'all I had a big surprise, but I wonder what the surprise is gonna be. Stay tuned. Okay, so y'all see this is the normal cars that's in the driveway here. There's the Pontiac Anime, as I call it. There's my little Camry, my little daily driver. So, what do we have here as a surprise? There's all the driveway. As y'all can see, everything is there. So, let's see what we have here. Uh-oh. They say his and hers, and that's what we got. So y'all tell me what y'all think about that lineup right there. I know, I got one. Couldn't be satisfied with one, so we got another. Me and my fiance, we got this one together, and man, it's just stunning. It was a one owner car, and we just kept looking at it and debating on getting it. So this is what I have for y'all. This is a 1978 Pontiac Bonneville Landau, and I really like this car. I kept conversing with the guy on the internet, and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And my fiance said, you know what? You like it so much, let's just get it. So here we have it. It made it here Friday, which was, well, October the 6th, October the 7th. And man, I'm really in love. It makes me not like the gray car, which I'm still gonna love the gray car because she's beautiful, but man, this is one bad Pontiac, man, and it's so beautiful, man. You can eat out the floor of it. Here's the front of it. As you can see, all the bumper impacts are still there. Everything is still there as it was in 1978. This one came with the Pontiac wheels. I really like when the Pontiac have these wheels on it, other than the wire wheels. I like these over the wire wheels. It's got all the trimming on the car. And man, let me just open up the door for you guys to see this car. It's black interior. It's got the wood grain on the dash. Original floor mats. Back seat. It needs to be vacuum, y'all, but you get the picture. Very nice Pontiac Bonneville Brougham. Here's the headliner. It's in pretty good shape. The dome light still work, of course. Man, it's just gorgeous. And you can tell they took care of this car. It still have the original stickers on it that it came with from the factory in the door, y'all. Very nice. Landau in the window. Nice black paint on it. It can be waxed or buffed, but it still shines. It's in its original form. Impact script on the back as well. I love the big square headlights that come on the 78. As we can see right here, everything is on it. Man, this is just one bad one. I like the silver car. The silver car came with more options, such as the sunroof, but I love this one because of the half top they came with from the Landau's. And this one has the bigger motor. It got the 350 Pontiac motor in it. Yes, it got the 350 Pontiac motor. Gray car, 77. This car is a 78. Gray car got wire wheels. This car has the Pontiac rims. This one has half top. This one has full top. So this one is also a Brougham. This one is a Landau. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna give it a try to crank it up, and all of this stuff still works. Yes, indeed. Everything is still all original, guys. Everything is very nice and neat. This car's a true one owner and only has 61,000 miles on it. Y'all believe that? 61,000 miles on it. I'm gonna pop the hood so you guys can see that as well. Okay guys, so we're finna go under here and check the motor out. Nothing like having the park lights on the old car. And even as I said, I just love to cut the park lights on older vehicles. So let's check out under the hood, guys. Everything is all original. Dryer, compressor. I know Pontiac Motors had a descriptor in the front. As you can see, everything is pretty much there. Even the engine tag tells that this car came with a 350 from the factory. It's still here. Everything is in the original form. And man, it's just one beautiful car, man. So tell me in the comments, guys, what would y'all pay for a one owner Pontiac, 61,000 original miles on it, 350 Pontiac motor, power window, power locks? What would you pay for a car this stunning? Thinking about selling it, but I do get attached to all of my cars, and especially to older cars. What would you pay for a Pontiac that's in this good of a shape? I'm gonna fix I think it got a little exhaust leak on it, but that's going to get fixed. What would you pay for a car like this? Let's look at it, y'all. Just beautiful. Black. It's hard to beat a black car in this right. There's a 77 in the back, 78 in the front, and I'm really starting to love this 78. I like the grille better on the 78, the front of the vehicle better, and I also like the tails lights better. And of course, you got to have that skirt tail on it. Yes, this car came with skirts on it. It got skirts on it as well. Here's the back of the 78 lights. Tell me in the comments what you guys prefer. You like the 78 Bonneville right here, which is the black car, or you like the 77? Here's the 77 front. Which one would you rather have? The 77? 77 also came with the fender with the light in it. And it has the roof. And it has these tail lights. So which one would you rather have? The 77 or the 78? I'm liking both, but I really like the 78 how it looks. Like both of them, but I really like how the 78 looks. All right, guys, I also want to show y'all the trunk. Got the trunk opening up. It's got the original spare in here. And I guess the guy had something that he covered the shade with. Now this belt is something I just bought, and that's to go in the compressor to get the airbag working. I got to charge the air up and put that belt on. So I'm gonna change it from R12 to 134. And that's pretty much it, man. This is bad black Pontiac Bonneville. I haven't seen many. It's the second one I own. Started off with this one, but fell in love, and I went and bought the 78. Me and my fiance. So a lot of people say, man, keep it and have his and hers. You drive one, she drive the other. What would you do? Would you sell this vehicle or would you keep it? What would you pay for a car like this? What is this worth, guys? Let me know in the comments. If you think this car is worth $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, what would you pay for all original, unmolested 78 Pontiac Brougham? What you guys like more, these wheels or the wild wheels? Let me know in the comments, guys. Give me some feedback. What's going on, YouTube? It's Tay Therm 96 and we back. So I'm going to a road test, and I have my fiance driving, and man, this is just the best feeling ever, having your loved one drive you around, and not only drive you around, but drive you around in an old antique car. We are in the black 78 Pontiac Bonneville, man, and she's handling the car like it's her new car, man, and she's driving it very good. The car is going very smooth, and I'm finna show you guys. Stay tuned. Y'all, we on the interstate. Look at her, y'all. She just driving this thing like it's a new car. Look at her, man. She going about 65. That's what I'm talking about, man. She's driving this baby. On the interstate, y'all, the car runs very good. It's my first time, well, our first time riding it on the interstate. We drove it around Friday, but today we are actually road testing it. And man, the car is going very well. Fortunately, the radio doesn't work, so I'll probably put a nice stereo or CD player up in here. Oops, I got my gun with me. But yeah, the car runs very good. We're on the interstate. We're going about 65. I wanted to give it some more gas, man. And she did give it some more gas. Okay. Y'all see that hand laying down there?